Okay, today we are going to show to enable the Wi-Fi tether in HTC EVO 4G. So it's similar to the Sprint hotspot, but the problem with the Sprint hotspot, if I enable that one, I'm going to get an error message because I had to get that service from Sprint, which cost around $30 per month. So this Wi-Fi tether will enable that Wi-Fi without going through that Sprint hotspot. So yeah, this is the error I get when I enable the Sprint hotspot. So I cannot share my internet connection with other devices. So for enabling the Wi-Fi tether, first we have to go to the computer, and so there is a website called Unrevoked, and from the home page you can get the EVO 4G. So just click on that one and then download the application for HTC EVO 4G. Download for Windows. Okay, I have just installed that Unrevoked, and you can see the application is opened up, and it's giving an important message here: enable USB debugging and make sure HTC Sync is not installed. This is very important. Like, if I have not installed HTC Sync in this machine, but I have to do one more step. I have to download the HTC EVO driver and install it in this machine. Okay, I just took the micro USB cable that came with HTC to my USB port here, and I'm going to connect. It is not okay. So for that I have to go to the menu settings. There is some applications, so I have to find out applications and select unknown sources. Go to the development, and I have to enable the USB debugging here. Just click on OK. Go to my device manager and see that I can see that device here with a question mark. It's not detected. So I have to right click there and update driver software. Browse my computer for driver software, and then select my C drive and select that HTC driver and include subfolders. So just hitting next. So it's installing the driver software now, and from the device manager now you can see my HTC under Android USB devices. So we are all set to root this phone again. Okay, it's unrevoked, and when I started the application, it's detected my HTC EVO. So it's giving a message: please make sure you understand all the risks associated with routing your phone. Actually, what it is doing, it will reboot and it will install some application, and so that we will get the root access to the device. Root access is something like an administrative privilege which we need to install that Wi-Fi tether application. I'm going to hit OK. As you can see, everything is controlled from the computer through the USB cable. So it's uninstalling the service from the phone, and it's rebooting again. So this recovery menu, so you got multiple options there: reboot system now, apply SD card. We don't need to do any of that activity, and So you just need to reboot the phone, and for that you just hit the power button. So that's a command to reboot. So I can see multiple versions available. I will go with the stable release. The last stable release from, it's on February 25. So just let me download that one. It's a 2.0.7. So it's just starting the download. So it's downloading that Android Wi-Fi Tether. Download completed. So I'm just going to install it. Install. Open it. Close. Press to start tethering. Before doing that, let me go to the settings and see what are the options I have, like enable Wi-Fi encryption, change SSID. Let me change that one so I can recognize my device. I'm going to just make it as my EVO. Let me go to the access control. So press to start tethering. How to allow that? Wi-Fi tether is enabled in that device, so I'm going to simply check it from another EVO. So I'm going to enable the Wi-Fi here. Now when I go to the settings, wireless and networks, if I go to the Wi-Fi settings, I can see my EVO. This is the SSID for this device, and oh sorry, so I can connect it to that one. Signal strength excellent, security open, and connect. So now I got the message here, wireless tether authorized, and now actually I have enabled the access control. That's the reason it's showing there. I can allow here and apply. Allow. Access control configuration saved. For the testing purpose, I can turn off my mobile and still I can access internet. So it's coming through. I'm sharing the internet from this phone to this one. That's all.